morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Reynalyn Carino. I am 24 years old. My height is 155 cm. My weight is 56 kg. I am single parent with one kid. It's 7 months old. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am the youngest of the family. I have 2-year experience in my country. I do all the housework like cooking, cleaning, and ironing. I take care of 2 children, aged 3 and 6. I prepare their needs and bring them to school. I'm good at cooking and cleaning. I'm willing to take care of baby. I'm willing to take care of elderly. I'm willing to take care of children. I can do any jobs. I agree with 1 day off a month. I promise to work hard, loyalty, honesty, and follow instructions. I'm looking forward to work with you, with your family. Thank you, Mom and Sir.